The 1911 Pierce 4. With Dick Shappy classic cars and motorcycles. The George N. Pierce Company was founded in 1872, selling bicycles featuring the renowned Arrow logo. In 1900, George Pierce sent 3 board members to Europe to study technology, and they returned with a Didion engine. Forming the Pierce Arrow Automobile Company in 1901, they would become known for producing some of the finest, most expensive luxury cars, on par with Rolls-Royce, from the 1910s into the 1930s. In 1907, his son Percy was appointed president of the newly formed Pierce Cycle Company, and following tradition, he went to Europe to study motorcycles. He acquired a Fabrique National 4, the world's first production 4-cylinder bike, and with its inspiration, produced the first American 4-cylinder, the Pierce 4. It debuted in 1909 at an expensive $325 as vibrationless, complete with many high-end features at the very top of the market. Radically different than any other available motorcycle, they would be used to win long-distance endurance events, often by Percy Pierce himself. This 1911 Pierce 4, engine number 1442, is offered with period-correct accessories on a fresh, professional restoration. Due to their high cost and low demand, fewer than 500 Pierce motorcycles were ever built, and surviving examples are rare. Of the remaining examples now considered classics, most known bikes are still functioning today. It is believed to be one of only approximately a dozen Pierce 4-cylinder bikes still surviving after more than 100 years, most of which reside in museums. Pierce 4s turning up on the open market despite being highly sought after is very rare. The engine is an inline 4-cylinder 696 cc's, 6-horsepower T-head with the inlet and exhaust valves on opposite sides of the combustion chamber. The 3.5-inch copper-lined steel tube frame hides an internal oil tank, gas tank, and control cables. The magneto was made by Hertz and Company of Germany, and the carburetor is a Breeze. It is operated with a sliding gear 2-speed shaft drive and friction disc clutch. It has a cartridge spring fork and a Calvary No. 3 seat from the Messenger Manufacturing Company of New York. It sports double grip controls with Rough Rider US motorcycle grips, a handlebar-mounted clock, foldable rear fender, and a Pierce emblem. It can reach over 60 miles per hour on its 28-inch wheels with its 60-inch wheelbase. For more Pierce motorcycles, visit dsclassics.com.